Me and my sidekick, Mr. Chris Smith, are on another adventure. Catchphrase of the day, Mr. Smith?
Living the dream, buddy, living the dream.
Woo! Stay tuned. We're gonna try to find some snow today. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. There you go. We still got 5 feet of hard packed snow on June 18th.
You probably got more than that.
Woo! I've been riding snowmobiles my whole life. I have never rode in June. So we finally decided to try it. We're gonna be trying to do 10 or 12 months of the year. Right now we're at 10. So I started in September. Rode every month till June. June 18th, 2020, we were out on the snow at Sycamoose. It was actually pretty cool. A little tough to get to, but it wasn't that bad. We were there and we had some fun. We're having fun. We're out sledding. Can you believe it? We should be fishing, but we found some snow. Still lots of snow, guys. Oh,
Don't show anybody.
actually a good picture. Trying out this selfie stick. Kind of a word you'd never hear me ever say in my life. Selfie stick. Here's with a beer again. Beautiful day. Hermosa dias, amigos. If you're going to the mountains sledding in the spring, it's not about the snow. It's all about the journey. And that's one of my biggest taglines. It's always about the journey, my friends. Camping, hanging out with good friends, doing a little bit of sledding, pushing yourself a little bit. It definitely sharpens some of your skills trying to go through the bush when there's no snow. So yeah, don't go for the snow. You'll be disappointed. You just go to ride. Be on top of the mountain in June is actually pretty spectacular. It was pretty rough, but at least we were riding.